20 years now, Onventis has been driven by the interaction of people, purchasing and software in a seamless, connected way. The Corona crisis is bringing changes not only to businesses and organizations in 2020, it's changing the way we deal with digitization in general. But when the going gets tough, the tough get going. We proudly present our answers to these challenging times, the Onventis Digital Procurement Conference, a new, innovative and completely digital procurement journey. A digital exchange special to keep the Onventis community fully updated on all products and services. Become a part of the procurement movement.
Indeed, Frank, the Onventis Digital Procurement Conference agenda is full of exciting topics. For example, DPD reports on why SAP ERP customers rely on Onventis in purchasing. In addition, I will show you how Onventis easily connects SAP S/4HANA to your purchasing processes. You will also be the first to find out what is on the Onventis product roadmap and which new developments will await you in the coming month. For our customers and selected contacts, we have planned something special. On November 5th, we will offer innovative workshops with Onventis and Workflowise.
One of the many things I'm looking forward to, Benny. As Workflowise joins Onventis, we are very happy to contribute our solutions to the existing Onventis community. The Workflowise world consists of invoice processing and expense management, which will bring real added value to the Onventis product portfolio. We're looking forward not only to joining Onventis, but to becoming part of the whole Onventis community.
Onventis Conference goes digital in 2020. For the very first time, we are presenting a completely digital e-procurement conference for our community. We see this year as the great opportunity to create new digital experiences for you, to surprise, to excite, to convince our audience. Morning and afternoon, from the 3rd of November to the 5th, we will be offering 19-minute sessions where we open our network to the public and connect you with inspiring European procurement experts. You can fully integrate this into your procurement week. Simply register, log in and get started. Anytime, anywhere. And the best thing is, it's absolutely free.
Onventis Digital Procurement Conference.
Innovative,
Full of procurement
And inspiring.
join the event.